Peace and love, all the above, and I'm back. I am back. Immortal's back again with another video. So today I just got an inspirational message, all right, and a technique as well that I use to basically anytime I feel like I can't do something, or for whatever reason my mindset is not in the correct place or in the correct perspective, this is what I use. All right, so anytime I feel like that, I just go outside. I look up at the sky and I find a bird. And what I do is I put myself in the position of that bird. I literally project my energy, who I am, out into the bird. And I see what the bird sees. I feel what the bird feels. I feel the gracefulness. I feel the wind beneath my wings. And, I feel it's incredible. So this is a technique you can use. Just basically putting yourself inside of the bird. Being able to fly. Being able to do something that you normally would not have done. Being able to do. It's an incredible feeling. It's an incredible feeling. And this is a quick video, but this is a very easy way to make yourself feel amazing. Amazing. So yeah, that, and also look up at the sky, look into the clouds. I use the clouds a lot to reflect, just like you look in the mirror, and I look at the clouds to see, my many faces inside of the clouds. Just what the clouds can show me. Just like when I look into a mirror, it's crazy what you can see within yourself. So that's another way, to empower yourself, inspire yourself. And yeah, try this. Trust me, this works. This works. So if you like my video, subscribe, share, comment, all the above. Check out my website, Immortal Crystals, and I'll catch you all on the next one. Peace.